Hey, welcome to Rusty Judgment. This may look a little peculiar, as it is. We're here on Rusty Judgment, first off. Secondly, remember a couple videos back I said that I'm in the market for another burnout vehicle? Dawn is not. So basically I found one. I found one actually abnormally fast and abnormally cheap. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but it's pretty close. I'm going to look at it at nighttime. I think it's in a shop with lights, which would be good. Let's go check this thing out. This is going on Rusty Judgment.
Yeah.
Heyo, it is 2 days later. I have the decision maker with me. Although I may have made a decision already.
In my defense, the only picture I recall seeing of this car was one Tom showed me of one that was already done.
That's Dawn's memory of it. My memory is I handed her the marketplace listing on my phone, and then she handed it back and said, oh yeah, that's pretty far along, or something along the lines of like, oh yeah, that's not terrible.
Do you know how many listings Tom hands me in a day and how many ideas he has? Anyways, I'm on board with it. I haven't seen it yet.
Anyway, they don't even know what it is. So we bought it. It is remarkably cheap. So that, yeah, we'll just leave it at that. It was
okay.
It was ridiculously cheap.
This is how all the stories start. It's a really good deal.
It's the biggest project. It's the biggest project I have ever owned. I've seen bigger projects, but I've never touched them. So now I own the biggest project of my life. Can you show back here? It does not have wheels and tires. So I had to steal the rims and tires off my dad's car.
which he did not love that idea.
Thanks, Dad. It has no wheels and tires. It has no interior. A lot of stuff is missing.
But it has a ton of potential.
And a lot of parts are in multiple locations. So we're gonna go get the biggest pieces right now, and it's buried. So we're gonna go unbury this thing and show you what we got. Yeah. Have some welding and grinding to do. Oh yeah.
Man, you sure got a lot of calls on this though.
Yeah.
It was unreal.
A lot of dreamers out there.
Yeah. Whoa, what do you mean dreaming? That one didn't slide by, did it?
Yeah, it'll be cool.
Did, but he just was not really good at this, you know, at all. You know, and when I got the car, the back end, the framework, he had it welded in there, but it was all like spot welded in there.
Oh yeah.
So I took it home, literally put it up on jacks, and I hit the frame with a sledgehammer and broke it off.
Oh, so he cut the floor and stuff out?
He had it all cut out, but he had just taken like little pieces of metal and spot welded it all to that back frame. It wasn't connected to nothing.
Okay.
And it's like, wow.
So you did the cage.
Yeah, well,
You did the cage in the frame from the front back.
yeah.
And what did he do?
Well, he had just the frame channels.
Okay.
in place.
Okay.
And then I just beefed them all up, and you know I took it all apart, cut everything apart, and
Yeah.
rewelded some of the mounts and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm not a pretty welder, but my welds hold.
I'm a whiz with a grinder.
Yeah, me too.
Yep. See how fast you can go.
Drop it.
Oh, that's the welds.
said my welds aren't pretty, but they hold. And then I got all the tail lights and everything, which are hard to find nowadays.
Are those here or those?
They're up at the house.
Okay.
And that, yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty much it.
I think we could give it a pop.
Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot.
Can you grab your floor jack, Tom? And...
Yeah, let me grab mine. I got a taller jack in the car.
Can you put one on each side?
Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
Yeah. You want to go down together?
Yeah, nice and slow.
Yeah, he's low.
Now my jack's stuck under here.
I got to use your jack to get mine out. To be honest with you, I didn't expect this to sell anytime soon.
I make questionable decisions. So.
Impulsive decisions.
I don't. Just right in the center here. Just lay it off slow. See where it lands. There we go.
It's even rolling.
Yeah, it is.
Two-step process. This is where the missus goes, well, at least it rolls.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get the,
You named this almost, we should name it, I should name it Frankenstein.
It's like the reason I called it almost like, almost done with this, almost done with that. And then there's for the Corvette brakes and stuff.
Oh, there is, awesome.
And you just kind of gotta hunt it out and find it. Let's see. You know, we're
Yep.
rent with standard ones like that. So when we put it down, okay.
That's good.
That's,
Yep, we're up. There we go.
Yes.
Need a hand?
Now I'm trying to see more of a holding hand.
Hold it back. Yeah, that looks a little easier than your trailer, Tom.
Turn way over and slow it down. No, put them like that. Yep. Perfect.
Got it.
No turning back now, huh?
No, and so it's extremely low. So the gentleman that I bought it from, who did a lot of this work, which I'm gonna have to keep making better. It's extremely low. So he's bringing it to our house in his trailer because luckily we are very close to home.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. So, okay, so now that you saw it, what is your honest opinion?
I think it's gonna keep you out of trouble for quite a while.
And then is it gonna get me into trouble?
Well, that's the concern, but
yeah.
I don't know. I see the vision. I think it's gonna be pretty cool when it's done.
Yeah.
So, we'll see.
So the thing, I was telling Dawn, the thing that I like about this car, first off, I love the body style. I like the front clip. It's a good style car in my opinion. What I like the most about it is it has already been hacked up as much as a car could get. So I don't feel bad doing whatever I want to it to make it exactly what I want, how I want it. I don't feel bad at all.
Right.
That C10, I had a tough time imagining cutting it up more or slamming it into a wall or any of that. Like this car, I won't feel bad cutting it apart to make it what I want.
Yeah.
And it will be a one-of-a-kind piece of art. And
yeah, that's cool.
yeah, so I don't like I know this is by far the most amount of work I've ever volunteered to do, or actually ever paid money to do.
Yeah.
And so I'm good with it because it's already been cut up so much.
Yeah.
But
Where'd Kitty go?
never had a car delivered before.
Yeah. Here.
Like literally.
Right.
Never ever had a car delivered. I never such a classy car.
Right?
If it takes off, let's just let her go.
Pretty good.
This is gonna go fast. Just let her go.
There you go. All right.
Alright.
Well, now it's officially ours, huh? Yeah, it doesn't look any better in the daylight, does it? Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. You got
This one's going a little further than that one. This was my second car. I bought it when I was 16.
yeah.
We cut everything off of this from here down. It was probably too far gone. We shouldn't have touched it. So my dad's going to try and finish that one, and I'm going to try and beat him.
You're grinning. That's a good sign.
I'm grinning because I'm excited and nervous all in the same thing.
When he kept saying, well, here's the bucket of parts, it's kind of like a puzzle, I was like, oh no.
Oh, and then the buckets kept coming. The back of the Excursion is full of totes and buckets.
Yeah.
He goes, it's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. Great. But I could tell that's what it is. So yeah, no, now we got 2 second gens.
Cool.
2 unfinished second gens. Now this one, my dad has been really discouraged with this car and acted like it's so far from being complete. I think he will feel better about his car now.
Yeah, I think so. You just got to get his wheels back to him.
I do. Oh shoot. Yeah, I stole his wheels and he's coming down now, so I should probably get those back on his car.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, thanks for watching.